Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a super quick video. I'm literally just going to give a first impressions of this L'Oreal Paris Micro Ink Pen by Brow Stylist. I got the color brunette. I was just in CVS yesterday and I don't know, I just wanted to try it, so I picked it up. I got brunette because they had a couple different shades. They had light blonde, dark blonde, brunette, and dark brunette. I think those were the ones that they had. I have to look now. Dang it. Anyway, the color that was just below brunette had almost like a reddish tint, like almost too warm. And I don't have that color. I need like a cooler color. So I went with the brunette. So we're gonna open it up. This I purchased at CVS for $11.97, but I looked it up on L'Oreal's website. You can get it for $10.99 there. And I'm sure at Walmart you can probably pick this up for a little bit cheaper as well. So let's crack into it. See what we see. What do we got? Okay. So this is the packaging, and it is, I don't know why I smell it, it's weird, right? I don't know. Take a look at the brow tip. So it's kind of like pointy, and then it's got like feather marks almost. Do you see that? I'm gonna like do it on my hand. Oh, that's kind of cool. Okay, so do you kind of see how that works? That is kind of interesting. And that might be a little too dark for me. Maybe I should have gotten a lighter one. Oh well. Let me brush out the brows here. And let's just get to work. I'm gonna pull you in a little closer. So as you can see, I don't have bad brows. Matter of fact, quarantine has helped my brows, especially on the ends, but everybody needs like a little filling in. So I don't need to necessarily paint on an entire brow, but we need brow. Everybody needs a little brow. So I'm just gonna kind of feather mine up. This is what I do even when I'm filling them in. And let's see what happens when we play. Oops, dang it. Well, that cleaned up easy at least. That's not bad. I mean, that's kind of what I need, is just a little bit. Can you see the difference? Just need a little help. And I like it, you can kind of tilt it, and maybe if you just need like one hair brush stroke, you can just do the one. Or if you need like multiple to make it look more like this, then, you know, you have those options. Can you kind of see on camera? I got like a little bit too much concentrated in one area. I don't know if you can see it, or if I'm just being neurotic. I have to play with it a little bit. I mean, I like it. I like it. This one looks a little funky though. I don't know. Like, I'm afraid, like, is more good? Should I do more to try to fix it, or have I done enough? I don't know. I think I've done enough. I think I'm just gonna leave it. All right, I'm gonna finish my makeup and I'll come back. I am back. I have all of my makeup on, and my final thoughts about the micro pen is the jury's still out. I'll be honest with you. I will definitely use it again, and I want to play with it a little bit more. I think that for someone like me, it's nice to fill in because my brows aren't really sparse. I don't have sparse brows, so I can't tell you that you might not see globs. Like I can see it in my mirror. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see it on camera, but I mean, I have better luck probably with just like an eyeshadow, a brown eyeshadow, and to kind of fill in with like a little pencil brush. But I wanna play with it still because I do like it, and I do like that you can kind of flip it. So you're not doing brush strokes so much, like hair strokes, but maybe just one, if you just need one, if you're, you know what I mean? So you have a little bit of control, and I do like that. So I definitely will be using it again. I don't know that it's gonna be my go-to thing, but I will circle back around to this in another video and let you guys know if it's like made it to the brow stuff that I really enjoy. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I so appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave and ring the bell. That way you are notified anytime I upload new videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Take care.